Shoulders widened. Whole trunk has to ascend. Keep your mouth soft, tongue soft. Get composed and be humble for the prayers. Oh. Oh. Yogena chittasya padena vacham. Malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena. Yopakarottam pravaram munina. Patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi. Abahu purushakaram. Shankha chakrasidharinam. Sahasrashirasam shvetam. Pranamami Patanjalim. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Harihi Om. Bow down to Patanjali Guruji. Release the palms. Raise your head up. Open your eyes. Adho Mukha Virasana. Inhale and come up. Those who are in periods will be on that corner. So please move there if you are in periods. Anybody not well, then you have to inform. Otherwise, I can begin. Upavishta Konasana. Take the blanket if those who need blanket. If you don't need, don't take. Face this side. Face this side. And Upavishta Konasana. Back of the leg elongating. Keep the hands by the side. Lift the side trunk up. Shoulders widened. From the lower buttock, from the lower spine, you have to ascend the whole spine upwards. Sit on the buttock bone and buttock should be separated. Side trunk elongating. The root of the leg has to be well pressed. and against that you have to raise up. Usually when there is a jet lag, it is always better to sit in Baddha Upavishta Konasana, Baddha Konasana, so that you will be little quicker to come out of it. Hold the big toes. If you are unable to reach, then you need the belt. You have to hook it, so your two fingers, the index hand has to go between your the big toe and the second toe. And your fingers have to go around it. Press the thighs and lift the trunk up. So concave back. If you are unable to do, then you have to use the belt for your hands, so that you need not bend too much forward. The root of the thighs going down, whole trunk elongating. Lift the chest, sternum lift, back in. Not necessarily you have to raise your head all the time up. Keep it sometimes front, sometimes back, as per your condition. Mouth soft, tongue soft, facial skin soft. Tongue should be resting on the lower palate. And whole trunk lifted. The abdomen has to lengthen. Chest has to come above. And back ribs going into the body. If you are unable to reach towards your back, then you need to take the belt. Now, I won't say that you take. I won't say that please you take. It is for you to understand whether you need. Do not shorten your neck. Do not shorten your shoulders. Now, inhale and come up. Baddha Konasana. If your knees cannot go down, you need the height. So you have to take the bolster. Your thighs have to be widened. Hold the feet from the below. Slightly taking your from the below. Hold the feet from the below. If possible, you have to slightly bend your elbows so that your elbows can go on the thighs. With your elbows, you have to press the thighs, and against that, you have to lift the body up. जात नसेल तर काही करायचं कारण आहे असं मुळीच नाही. जात असेल तर घ्या असं म्हणते मी. You don't bend forward. Why are you bending forward? Did I ask you to bend forward? Lift. I said thighs should be pressed and you have to lift. So if your elbows are not reaching there, you need not bend forward for it. See, I said that if your knees are not going, it is better to take the height. I won't tell you personally that do this, do that. Sorry, it is too much. Chest lift. Bring your armpit chest forward. Shoulders widened. Whole trunk ascending. The armpit has to come, corners of the shoulders widened. Do not shorten anywhere, neck passive. Upavishta Konasana. Inner leg extend. Root of the thigh going down. Chest lift. Body lift. पोट उंच करा. Lift your abdomen. It should not be collapsing. So find out there. Separate your buttocks well, so that you will be able to extend your spine from the tailbone. Shoulders widened. Whole trunk extend. Shoulder blade going into the body. Yes, you can keep your hands on the thighs also, no problem. If you find that keeping your palms on the thighs, you are able to lift, press the thighs and lift. So it is not that only one way you have to do. Keep your hands on the thighs. Your thighs. So don't look at somebody else's thighs. Press the thigh and lift the trunk up. Side trunk elongating. Whole body has to lengthen. If possible, you have to spread more. To spread more, you need to keep the palms on the floor, raise your buttocks, spread out your leg, and again, sharply you have to keep the buttocks. So it is not just doing, you have to observe, you have to find out where you have your own drawbacks, and you have to learn to correct it. And that's why the repetitions are there. Do not lean back. Baddha Konasana. But chair irtilba. Hinge. Last row, behind Rajendra, that lady. Keep the chair in front of her. Keep the hands on the chair, elbows on the chair. You come forward a bit. You come forward a bit. You are from which country? Come forward. Keep the elbows. Keep the elbows on the chair. And hold the chair. No, hold the chair. And slightly pushing your elbow on the chair. Lift your back up. Side trunk elongate. And lengthen there. So that arms supporting that, taking the support of the chair, you can widen your thighs and your thighs can go down. Now, I don't know whether you know this methodology or not. Sometimes you need to practice in that manner. उपविष्ट कोणासन. आले का सगळेजण? क्लासला सुरू करू का? सावकाशपणे येत आहेत? सगळ्यांना वाटत असेल की हे काय चाललंय आज? बद्ध कोणासन. Even Upavishta Konasana, you can do in the same manner. Philippines, you can do your both asanas in the same manner. Baddha Konasana. Upavishta Konasana. Baddha Konasana. Upavishta Konasana. Baddha Konasana. Swastikasana. Upavishta Konasana. Baddha Konasana. Change of Swastikasana. Sit straight. Hands are you have to use your hands. Upavishta Konasana. Who are from UK? You know, I got message yesterday. evening that some ladies from UK have come. They are old. So should they do advanced class or not? And it seems that Kunal said, you go and do it. Tell Sunita. Nobody came in front of me telling that I am old from UK. So I had to take this. So I don't know whether we are able to do advanced class. That was the question. Give us intermediate, and if you are doing for a long time, that doesn't make difference as such. So you should not worry about it. Stand in Tadasana. So there is no one old. We think we are old. But I am old. I accept it. Sometimes we don't accept it. And then we don't know. So just don't make use of your old age. Leg is lighter. Your leg is lighter. That was the reason actually I took. So if you have got doubt that whether you will be able to do that strong standing poses the first week, and then it seems that Sunita's standing poses are very, very strong. I don't know what sort of. नको 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 तिला स्टँडिंग नको, उत्तानासन वगैरे चालेल म्हणा, त्रिकोणासन वगैरे नको. No त्रिकोणासन and all this thing. Still 6 months you are not going to do standing poses. Only for your eyes you will be doing. तिला सांग 6 महिने no standing poses. Stand erect. Extend your arms. Inner edges of the feet well touching. Toes extended forward. Heels extended backwards. From the center of the foot, the whole foot has to well spread. Urdhva Hastasana. Side trunk elongating. So extend from the waistline. Keep your thighs firm. Thighs should be going back. Outer thighs rolling in. Knee cap firm. The toes extend. Do not just allow your toes to press. Clinch the floor. Elongate it. Elongate all the toes. And then keep it on the floor, elongating that skin. Now take the arms down. Do not collapse your chest. का छाती खाली आली ते बोलल्याशिवाय तुम्हाला येतच नाही. छाती सकट खाली यायचं. Urdhva Baddhangulyasana. Interlock your fingers and raise the arms up. Side trunk elongating. Pressurize the bottom of the feet. Outer thighs rolling in. Do not puff your thighs. Front thighs going towards the back thighs. Front thighs going towards the back thighs. Tailbone in and whole body elongating. Firmly pressurize your feet and ascend your trunk. Side trunk elongating. Lengthen there. Now exhale and take the arms down without collapsing. Change the interlock and raise the arms up. Side trunk elongating. In Arogya Yoga, when that Tadasana has come, it has been said, for thyroid, you can take your head down. So you read and find out. Elbow cut in. कोपर ताट कर ना. आत खो. सुरेखा कोपर आत घे. उचल अजून. तोंड हलकं. Now exhale and take the arms down. Do not collapse. तुम्हाला पाहिजे असेल तर स्ट्रेसलरला करा. स्टँडिंग करायचंच असेल तर ट्रेसलरला करा. ते ब्रेक आणून द्या कोणीतरी तिथून. पास ऑन करा ब्रेक. द्या ना त्यांना. राऊंड ब्रेक आहे का पायाची, ती नसेल तर द्यावी लागेल. उत्थित त्रिकोणासन. Hands to chest, bend the knees, jump, spread as per your condition. Turn your right leg out, left foot in. And now elongating, exhale and go to Trikonasana. Inhale and come up. Turn your right leg in, left leg out. Exhale and go to Trikonasana. Inhale and come up. Turn the foot in and jump feet together. Neck, shoulder, everything is connected to each other. Whatever you begin to understand, you should be able to, understand it with your other asanas also. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense. Your leg should be firm. Why Guruji has taken standing poses? To make the whole body strong by the help of your legs. So unless your legs are strong, nothing can come. So if the legs are not strong, even your arms, shoulder, neck, everything will be weak. And that you have to understand that with the leg, you have to strengthen the other parts of your body. So if you are doing Trikonasana, what your leg will do? Zhala ka baba? Karu suru? Hands your chest, bend the knees, jump. Mala mahiti hai tu 4 वाजता utla ashe. Keep your legs firm. Do not puff your front thighs. Pressurize the outer edges of the feet. All the toes well extended. Why your second little toe and the next toe is up on the off the floor? Why it is not touching the floor? Why you are looking down? I don't know your names. No, when I am saying what you are supposed to do, what you are supposed to do, jump and feet together. When I am giving some instruction, what you are supposed to do? Huh? Follow them. Follow them. How you follow? How you follow? Follow the instructions means what? Nobody knows? Huh? Do the actions as per your instructions. But how you will know that you are doing as per my instructions? Koni dila uttar? Because I'm not able to see the person who gave the answer. And I could not recognize the voice. What do you mean by that? अहंकाराने उत्तर देतेस, अहंकाराने उत्तर देतेस, डोळे असं दाखवतायत. I want the beginner teachers to give me answers. Beginner, intermediate, even if you are advanced, I don't know at what level you are. I am a beginner teacher. My class is advanced, but I am beginner. Because this is not my class, this is Gita's class. I always take it as Gita's class, not my class. If the person has to follow your instructions, do as per your instructions. Madam, really you want to do standing poses? No, na? Then why you are just want to listen what I am saying? अगं सिंधू, ती काय म्हणते? बोस्टर सपोर्ट, टेक द बोस्टर अँड डू. जरासा फॉलो कर ग. मला बोलताना मग विसरून जाते मी. What do you think, that we have to just teach you? We have to just conduct the classes. That is also free of cost. Huh? That was also free of cost. I'm not worried about money. My father has given me till my death. I don't have any problem. So I don't think of money. Understand, though I'm saying this. But if it is done without any cost, you are not bothered. And that is why I'm asking you, if you have to follow the instruction, follow your instructions. I don't want anything. As a teacher, what you will tell so that they will be able to follow. Look at that body part. It has been said, no? Look at that body part. This is a vague answer actually, but it is correct answer. I mean, correct in the sense, yes, she understood. You did not understood. Sonia. No, don't take it up. Just listen. Transcription is ready. I did not get it. Kaushik asked me. I said, I don't know. I did not get it. I don't know, I said. Then that was for that purpose only, no? How to teach. But nobody cares. And if you are not able to understand the instruction, then what to do? Did you understood what instruction I gave? What instruction I gave? Archana, what was the instruction I gave? What the instruction I gave? नहीं, तुम्हाला विचारते का? Did I ask you? I'm asking this lady. I pointed out the finger. Yes.
Pressing the last two fingers.
That is, they said, and now you are telling. Why you did not tell me at that time? Huh? That is why, sometimes prompting happens. Prompting happens and you want to answer immediately. Why I'm saying this? Because if you don't take your mind to that area, you won't know. 3 times I repeated, little toe and next toe, please keep it on the floor. But your eyes are not getting connected. So how you get connected? How you follow? If you are following some vehicle, that you have to go somewhere, some people from your family is in other vehicle, you are in other vehicle, that vehicle is going forward, you follow that, no? So your eyes are always searching that vehicle. If that vehicle is not seen, then you are disturbed. Where that vehicle has gone. Immediately, these days mobiles are there. In those days, mobiles were not there. So all the time, eyes should be there. So if the eyes are not there, not going there, how you will know what is happening? It is an important part. Use your eyes. Use your eyes while doing asanas. Very important organ. It is the one which gives direction in the asana. I'm not telling, Guruji is telling. Then why you say that you are Guruji's student? If you are saying, you should follow him. Simple manner. So how many of you look at your foot over there? Whether it is going down, she's saying, whether my toe is, little toe is down or second toe is down. When you are going to learn this? मी कशासाठी सांगते? Beginner लोकांना, the newcomers. You have to make aware. Trikonasana, look at your foot and go. So they know the direction. They follow. They follow that direction. Where is my foot? Where is my ankle? Where I have to hold? Which direction I have to bend? If you don't give that instruction, then you have to give more instruction. Take your head back, tuck your buttock in. There it is not going. Where it will go to the head and buttock? Buttock is unknown. Known of others' buttocks, not our own buttocks. So these are the simple instructions we have to understand. And we should never, and that should be our own instructions to our own asana while doing. Not necessarily the teacher has to give. So how you go towards right side in Trikonasana, you have to find out whether you are going in a correct manner or not. Face this way. Utthita Trikonasana. Hands to chest, bend the knees, jump, spread. So don't jump, everyone. If you are not able to jump, don't jump. Just spread. Turn your right leg out, left foot in. तिथे एक स्टूल त्या ह्यांना द्या बरं का. उमाताईंना थकल्या की त्या बसतील. So look at your foot, whether you are keeping properly. Outer edge pressurize. The left outer edge pressurize. Keep that leg absolutely firm. You are going to Trikonasana on the right side. So look on the right side. Look at your right leg. Look at your right leg. Look at your right leg. You understand English or no? Then why I have to repeat it 3 times? It is like Om, I'm repeating. So that I will not forget. You forget, no problem. Look at there. Look at your right leg. All the toes extended. Now pull the leg into the socket. Pull the right leg into the socket. Elongating, exhale and go. Looking there, go. Bring your trunk in line with your leg. Bring your trunk in line with the leg. It should not be forward, it should not be backwards. Rotate your trunk. You don't turn your head. Look there and rotate the trunk from right to left. From right to left. Your shoulder is coming in front of your thigh. Black pant. Yes. Rotate it. Rotate it upwards. Now, without disturbing, just look to the front. No body should be shaking. Look to the front. Side trunk elongate. Lengthen there. Lengthen there. Pressurize the outer edge of the foot. Lift the chest up. Now you have to push that, pressurize that left outer edge of the foot more. Pull the left arm up and inhale and come up. Turn the foot in and jump it together. You are not supposed to look halfway to the front. You are not supposed to look halfway to the front. There should be total rotation of your head to the front and your eyes. Otherwise, you are hiding. Hiding what? चोरी येते स्वतःशी. मराठीत सांगते म्हणून. अस्तेय फॉलो करत नाही आम्ही. That is how you have to understand. That how you have to turn. How you have to do. Hands to chest, bend the knees, jump, spread. Now pressurize outer edges of the feet. Keep all the toes extended and keep on the floor. Inner ankle lift. Keep on lifting your inner ankle. Turn your left leg out, right foot in. Whole leg has to turn. If your leg is not getting straightened, lift the toes up. So that your leg has to be first straight, firm. Now look at your left leg. Pulling the left leg into the socket. Elongating, go in line with the leg. Pull the leg into the socket. And look, keep on looking at your left leg. Rotate your trunk from left to right. Back ribs into the body. Whole trunk elongating towards your head side. Back ribs into the body. Front ribs extending towards the head side. Without disturbing, look in the front. Furthermore, your back has to come into the body. ते डोकं त्या पायाच्या रेषेत पाहिजे. डोकं पुढे न आणता वळवता आलं पाहिजे. Pressurizing the back leg. Pulling the upper arm. Inhale and come up. Turn the foot in and jump it. What happened? What happened? Nothing happened. It was stable. It was focus. What do you mean by focus? कोण म्हणतं focus? What do you mean by focus?
Mind was not going anywhere else, but at the different parts of the body.
So it was shifting from one part to the other part. How long? How long?
Seeing, checking, but not going anywhere else.
Moving within the body. So somewhere it became stable or no? Or your mind was all the time roaming within your body? Huh?
Still,
So one place it was somewhere there, no? Or it was widened so much that you could find that your mind is becoming so wide that everywhere it is there. That is what you have to find out. If that stability is not there, what you will get? Parshvakonasana. Another thing, anything you further found out, something you have to learn. I won't tell. Many times I have said actually. But whether you have learned is the thing that are you able to find out? Uttita Parshvakonasana. Hands such as bend the knees, jump. All the toes extended, bottom of the foot well extended, pressurize the outer edge, lift the ankle. Inner ankle, you have to bring it in line with the outer ankle. So much your inner ankle has to be lifted. So how much you need to pressurize your outer edge of the foot. Turn your right leg out, left foot in. Extended. Both sides, left arm extend furthermore. Now exhale and bend the leg. And look at your leg, look at your knee, whether your thigh and knee is in a lying position. Tuck your buttock in, lengthen there. धड पुढे आणू नका. धड मागे. Elongating, exhale and go. Looking at your right leg, go. So find out how you will place and rotate your trunk. Rotate your trunk. From right to left, keep on rotating. Take the arm over your head. Don't move. Look down and rotate. Rotate. With that looking down, what you are supposed to find out, you should know. Though I'm not telling, keep your elbow straight. Back ribs into the body, front ribs extend. Whole body has to extend. Firm back. Now rotate your head to the front. Arm well extended. Side trunk elongating, lengthen there. Chest rotate. Further rotate. Right to left. उजवीकडून डावीकडे वळा. Rotate. Keep on rotating. And tuck your buttock in now. That should not go back. इकडे तिकडे का डोळे हलतायत? Now pressurizing the back leg. Inhale and come up. Turn the foot in and jump it together. Deep inhalation, exhalation. Left side. Hands to chest. You have to find out what some improvisation you are getting or not getting. And you have to tell me. You have to tell me. Hands to chest, bend the knees, jump. Not after class. Now itself. Pressurize the outer edges of the feet. Lift the inner ankle. Turn your left leg out, right foot in. Look at your left leg. Lift the whole body upwards. Do not push your buttock back. Now exhale and bend the leg. Look at your leg. Thigh and knee in line. Thigh and knee in line. Now elongating, exhale and go. Look at the leg. Keep your eyes on your left leg. Keep your eyes on your left leg. So that has to be seen, that your knee is not disturbed. You are maintaining it. Now rotate the trunk from left to right without turning your head. Trunk rotate. Trunk rotate. Elongate and rotate. Elongate and rotate. Keep the thigh absolutely firm. Now you have to rotate your head to the front. So not more. That elongation should be there. So in that case, your whole spine is in one plane. Your hand can go over your ear, no problem. Rotate your trunk. Now pressurizing the back leg. Inhale and come up. Turn the foot in. Jump it together. A fan lava. Uttanasana. Spread your legs and go down. Are you finding anything yourself that you have learned? Eyes are quiet. What do you mean by eyes are quiet? When eyes are quiet, what is quiet? You are not supposed to close your eyes in asanas. That is what you have to understand. First of all, inhale and come up. Your observation should be there. It is not that my expectation is that you should observe this, you should observe that, you should observe certain third thing. No, that sort of thing. Whatever you observe. So this lady is saying that eyes were quiet. Did you find your eyes quiet? Some of you might have, some of you might not have. But she did it. She felt it. That eyes are going back and eyes are quiet. So what does it mean? Eyes are quiet means what? That is, they were working, no? Condition was there. They were with the asana, so they were looking something over there. It is not that they were not connected with the asana and the body that is performing the asana. But if you get that feeling that your eyes are quiet, going within, what does it mean? Brain was quiet. If the brain is quiet, तुम्हाला ऐकायला येत नाही तिथं? If brain is quiet, what is quiet? System, why you are talking about system? Huh? Nerves are quiet. That is, the nerve of the eye is quiet. So what does it mean if I have to take care of my eyes while doing my asanas? My eyes should be quiet. When they will quiet, when they have got proper direction. If you look here and there, they won't be quiet. Are you understanding? Then what does it mean? Eyes are quiet. Eyes are going in. Means what? This is how you have to think over. So eyes have got their own muscles. Maybe small muscles, very thin muscles. Muscles are there for the eyes. Without that, I cannot blink. Correct or no? Then that becomes quiet. No? Those muscles are quiet. What is the quietness of those muscles means? They are not. What do you mean by they are not stretched? हो ना, म्हणजे काय? Understand this. Don't have confusion in your mind that only advanced asanas means advanced class. Your own progress can also advance. So going towards advanced state, you have to observe it yourself. On the other side, hands to chest, bend the knees, jump, spread. Turn your left leg out, right foot out, left leg out, right foot in, and you have to pull that leg into the socket to go. If you are 1 minute, you have to look at your leg and you have to go. Whether you are here itself, make yourself compact. So from back body, you are coming towards the front body to ascend up, and then exhale and go looking at the leg, so that your armpit comes in line with your hip joint. So while going only, you go in a correct direction. Do not move your head. Rotate your trunk from left to right, left to right, left to right. Look more. With your right eye, you have to look at your left foot. Right eye has to look. So find out. Neck elongating. Do not shorten your neck. Back, furthermore, compact. Bring it in a compact state. Now, without disturbing, look in the front without changing your, turn the neck to the front so that no change takes place. Now, pressurizing the back leg, inhale and come up. Turn the foot in, jump feet together. Your head is quiet, brain is quiet. Do you find coolness? You wanted fan, no, immediately it was, perspiration was there. Because it became hot. So I started feeling perspiration. But if you are doing in this manner, no perspiration, effortlessly you are doing. So effortful effort goes towards effortless effort. Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Guruji has said this. Guruji has used this phrase. Effortful effort should be there to go towards effortless effort. That is what has to be there. But that coolness is there. So what you understand? That coolness of the brain. Uttita Parshvakonasana. You have to answer. Let me finish off. Uttita Parshvakonasana. Either I keep on telling you something and it has becomes difficult. Hands to chest, bend the knees, jump, spread as per your condition. And turn your right leg out, left foot in. Look at your right leg. Make your back compact. Make your back compact. Now, when you are going to bed, look here. Now, I will be telling that bend your knee. Okay. But you have to see that you are flexing your root of the thigh. So, the bending of the leg, knee will be there if you flex your hip joint. Are you understanding? So, your attention on the hip joint. Look at the right hip joint. Begin to bend it, flex it, so that knee also will flex. Go down, elongating, exhale and go. With compactness of your back. Look at your right. With your left eye, you have to look at the right foot. So how much your head has to rotate? How much your head has to rotate to look there? Your left eye, Puja, your left eye has to look there. Left eye has to look at the right foot and side trunk elongating. Okay. Now here, you have to make a back compact, get stability, look in the front. So neck will be rotating. Okay. Now here I want you to tell one more extra instruction over there. When you are going to look at your right foot, you have to rotate with the neck, but rotation with the ear. Rotation with the ear, look at your, that is ear will look there. That is ear has to hear the foot. एक खाली वरती नाही सांगत आहे. राईट फुट. काय तुमचं राईट लेफ्ट सुद्धा तुम्हाला माहित नाही. But do not lean back. Back has to come compact. Compact. Inside. Compact means inside. Now maintaining that, rotate with your eye and ear and the neck together to look in the front. Got it? Hath teva. Pressurizing the back leg. Inhale and come up. Turn the foot in and jump it together. Was it different? Was it different? वेगळं होतं का नाही हो? नाहीतर भिंतीला लावून करायला पाहिजे. मी घेतेय म्हणून तुम्ही करण्यात काय अर्थ नाहीये. मग तुम्ही पाठ भिंतीला लावून करा. ते सगळं तुम्हाला A to Z सगळं शिकवावं लागतं. गीताकडून काहीही शिकला नाही. इतका चांगला टीचर मिळवून सुद्धा मी काही शिकला नाही असा त्याचा अर्थ होतो. What you found? First time I said something about the ear, no? Did you turn with your ear? Yes. What was your feeling? Huh? You? काय म्हणतेय? Freedom in the neck. Okay. Freedom in the neck. So freedom in the throat was also there? Okay. Because otherwise one part you will say, the other part I won't know. So I have to be clear over there. Anything else? You know, when we learn, it is not only that classic asana. Especially Westerners, huh? If you are doing that classic asana, then I will give you tick mark. I am not bothered whether you are understanding or not the asana. I'm not bothered about to know whether you understand the asana or not. Only classic asana you are doing, tick mark. Classic asana you are able to teach, tick mark. Then I will give you teacher certificate. Teacher knowing nothing about the asana. And that is very unfortunate, actually. So here you have to understand what this is happening with this understanding of the rotation of the head. Rook at the top, hand comes at the end of the instruction. But here, immediately my head will go to the final pose. So I have not taken that rotation upwards. Here you have to find out, head down, what happens. And that also I said with eyes, then I have added your ear also with that. So where that connects in your yoga practice and what it gives you effect. Brain is quiet. Yes, we are not done on the left side. Now we are going to do on the left side. Huh? Coolness. Ear also cool. You mean to say that your ears are also cool. Otherwise they are hot. Otherwise they are hot. Otherwise you won't say cool. Left side. I will give you answer. Hands such as bend the knees, jump. आपल्या बोलण्याचा वकिलासारखा सगळीकडून त्याचा विचार करावा लागतो.